Scene script. Have you ever dreamed of owning your own piece of land? Today, we uncover the allure of land ownership and navigate the terrain of buying land. Owning a piece of earth, whether a sprawling meadow or a cozy woodland retreat, embodies freedom, self-reliance, and the chance to shape your own little corner of the world. But unlike buying a home, the path to land ownership requires a different map, filled with unique considerations and potential pitfalls. First, understand zoning regulations and land use. These dictate what you can do with your land, whether it's single-family homes, agricultural enterprises, or recreational havens. Dive into zoning codes, consult with local planning authorities, and explore potential variances or rezoning options. Next, uncover unseen obstacles like easements and rights of way. These can impact your land use and enjoyment. Conduct thorough title searches and property surveys to know their precise location and scope. Consider utilities and water access. Not all land boasts the convenience of city-supplied utilities. It's essential to investigate the availability of electricity, water, and sewer systems. Consider alternative options like wells, septic systems, and solar power. Also, take into account the topography and environmental concerns. Rolling hills might paint a picturesque scene, but steep slopes or floodplains can pose construction challenges. Environmental assessments reveal potential hazards like wetlands, endangered species habitats, or past contamination. Ensure proper road access or secure easements before setting your sights on a secluded oasis. Be mindful of planned highways, commercial expansions, or new residential communities around your desired land, as these can affect both value and enjoyment. Land ownership carries both upfront costs and long-term financial implications. Carefully assess your budget for purchase price, taxes, potential development costs, and ongoing maintenance. If constructing a custom home tops your agenda, delve into building permits, architectural restrictions, and feasibility of well septic installation. For aspiring agriculturalists, soil quality, water rights, and market accessibility become crucial factors. If appreciating value is your primary focus, research land with high growth potential. Analyze future development trends and consider land use changes that could enhance its worth. Remember, due diligence is your compass. Title searches, property surveys, environmental assessments, and financial foresight are your navigational tools. In summary, understand zoning regulations and land use, uncover unseen obstacles, consider utilities and water access, evaluate the lay of the land, ensure proper access, and align your purchase with your financial goals. Dive deeper if you're building a dream home, farming for the future, or viewing land as an investment. Owning land is a journey filled with unique considerations and potential pitfalls. Arm yourself with knowledge and chart your course to owning your own little corner of the world.